In Blackboard, there are several different ways to move or navigate around a class. This tutorial will introduce you to one way, which is to use the class menu. This is a typical Blackboard class menu, and it may look very similar to the menus that your teachers will be using in their different Blackboard classes. In this example, the menu contains links that can be used to navigate to different areas of this class. As you will notice, when the mouse cursor is rolled over a link, the icon changes. The cursor starts out as a normal select cursor, which is a white arrow. When rolled over a hot link or menu link, the cursor changes to a hand with a pointing finger. This is the link select cursor. When a hot link is selected with the link select cursor, the user will be taken to the corresponding location inside the class. For instance, when the class discussions link is selected, the corresponding class discussion screen will appear. To return to the home page of the class, simply click on the house icon that is located at the top right corner of the class menu. You should also notice that the links on the class menu are organized into categories or sections. The categories on this menu are Check in Here, Learning Modules, Communication Tools, and Need Assistance. They are designated by subheaders, which look very similar to menu links. There are two ways to tell subheaders from menu links. The font for the subheader is black in color and bold type, whereas the font for the links is green in color and normal type. Also, when you roll your mouse over the subheader, the cursor changes to an I-beam instead of a hand with a pointing finger. This I-beam is another type of cursor, and it is known as the text select cursor. When selected, it will not take the user to a different area in the class. That only occurs when a menu link is selected. Let's take a look at the My Teacher link that is located in the Need Assistance section of the menu. When selected, it will open the contact screen or section of the class. All of your teachers will have a My Teacher section in their Blackboard classes. This is where you can find out how to contact each one if you or your parents have any class questions or need assistance. There are 4 links located at the top of the class menu that may be helpful to you. Moving left to right, they are List View, Folder View, Display Class Menu in a window, and Refresh. Don't worry if you forget the name of each of these links. As you may have noticed, when you roll your mouse over each one, a screen tip will pop up indicating the name of the link. Let's look at what the different links can do. Currently, the class menu is in List View, so the links are displayed in a column. When the Folder View link is selected, notice that the menu display changes. It is no longer simply a list. You also see folders. To return to List View, click the link for the List View. The third link is Display Class Menu in a window. It actually pops up in a separate window. To close this window, select the Close link or X in the top right corner. When you need to refresh your screen inside of Blackboard, the simplest way to do that is to use the Refresh link located here at the top of the class menu. To review, this tutorial has shown how to use the class menu to navigate from place to place inside a Blackboard class. It has explained the difference between a subheader and a menu link. In addition, this video highlighted how to open the class discussions and the My Teacher sections using the corresponding links on the menu. 4 important links located at the top of the class menu were also discussed. You learned how to display your class menu as a list and also as folders. Don't forget that you can open your class menu in a separate window, and using the refresh link is a quick way to refresh your screen in Blackboard.